50.
Man, I feel like money. Man, I feel like money.
Yeah.
Attracted to me. Oh, yeah. They come around like honey. They come around like honey. 'Cause I fly like
Oh, shit. I ride a premium death trap. It's my signature frame. Burgundy red blood one. I run a old McNeil seat post. I've had it for like 10 years. Right now I'm running a Haro seat. Got profile cranks. Only cranks I run. I love profile cranks. I don't know why. I've been riding them for so long. I just don't like riding anything else. Odyssey forks. Laced with a Primo front rim. Shadow pegs. Premium sub 10 stem. New prototype premium bars. Called the whiskey bars. Back wheel I run a Shadow. Left side drive. I run Odyssey plastic pedals. Premium sprocket. Silver. Shadow chains. ODI grips. Frame geometry. It's got a bit of a steeper head tube for nose wheelies and a short back end because I'm pretty short and I feel like it's easier to bunny hop high and shit like that with like a shorter back end. Dropouts on this frame. First time I got the prototype, they're a little thin. So I told Premium I want some thicker dropouts. I got some nice thick dropouts. For once in my life I don't bend my frame to the point that like my wheel gets stuck in, so I'm super psyched on that. Integrated seat tube. My grips, every time I get them, there's like this film on them. I swear like it's the slipperiest film when I get my grips, so I rub them on the ground a bunch and like try to wear them down a little bit to get that shit off. My pegs, deep, grinding. Probably should be rocking a dropout protector. For gearing, I run 2810, 28.9 actually. I run 28.9. It's equivalent to like 3010, I think, which is what I used to run. Primo Dirt Monster, laced with Tip Plus tubes, ammo, ASM in the back, religious, always rocking that shit. Otherwise, that's it. Good?
Perfect.